श्रीमान प्रधानाध्यापकज्यू, शिक्षक सहायक प्रधानाध्यापकज्यू, शिक्षक शिक्षिका तथा मेरा प्यारा प्यारा साथीहरू, म हजुरहरूको साममा छोटो मन्तव्य लिएर उपस्थित भएको छु। म कक्षा 4 मा पढ्छु। मेरो नाम नबिना कुँवर हो। मेरो मन्तव्यको शीर्षक रहेको छ हाम्रो विद्यालय। हाम्रो विद्यालयको नाम श्री जनता माध्यमिक विद्यालय हो। यस विद्यालयको स्थापना विक्रमसम्म 2029 सालमा भएको हो। हाम्रो विद्यालयमा ठुलो खेल मैदान पनि रहेको छ। हाम्रो विद्यालयमा शिक्षक कर्मचारी गरेर 32 जना हुनुहुन्छ। हाम्रो विद्यालयमा बाल शिक्षादेखि 12 सम्म पढाइ हुन्छ। धन्यवाद।
Respected Principal, Vice Principal, teachers and all my dear friends, good morning. In this fine morning, I want to make a short speech. The topic of my speech is friendship. A true friendship is what gives us reason to stay strong in our life. Having a loving true friends and all is okay, but you also need true friends to be completely happy. Some people don't even have lives, but they are true friends who are like their families only. Thus, we see having true friends means a lot to everyone. Thank you.
Highly respected Principal, Vice Principal, teachers and staff nurse, all my dear friends. Good morning. Today I am going to tell you all about good manners and their importance. We all live in society where the way of the thinking, talking and acting must be like following social norms. We all must know how to behave well and perform good manners. It all needs respect and dignity in society. People always love a good mannered person. Good manners are inculcated by parents to their children, so they started adopting it from a very young age. They teach how to behave with family, neighbors, relatives, and people around them. Honesty, humbleness, kindness are a few of the sensible traits of the good-mannered person. Greeting people with namaste or handshake with a smile is one of the primary manners we learn in very young age. Greeting people with thank you is of a sweet gesture. Saying sorry and excuse me is a very common. We practice it in our life. Besides all their treat done with respect and dinner with love and care, and not any using obscene and abuse languages or characters of good-mannered person. The new generation is forgetting good manners important day by day. They become rude and arrogant. The cases of irregularity and discipline is on the high. Thank you.